Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to give you a quick introduction to a game I've been working on. The name of the game is Blinka's Breakout. This is a CircuitPython implementation of an old Atari game called Chip's Challenge. You can read about it a little bit more on Wikipedia. In this game you have to navigate puzzles to collect IC chips. Once you have all the chips, you can then collect the robot. And then once you have the robot, you can go get the heart in order to beat the level. So I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of the gameplay real quick. Just switch over to the camera. So the basic gameplay works with the D-pad. You just use the up, down, left, and right to be able to move around. There's a couple elements similar from Chip's Challenge, like the conveyors. So you can ride the conveyors, they push you around. There's also the ice you can see there, slide across the ice back and forth. If we come to this end, you can see there's also the corners, so the ice will kind of push you around the corner there and make you spin around. So part of the puzzles is you have to collect these keys, so we can pick up the yellow key there. We also have to avoid the dangers, like the fire right there. We can get the fire shoes first, those little red shoes. And we can walk on there and it's safe, otherwise we would die when we walk on there. So we can also come up here, we can get the ice shoes, which will let us walk across the ice without sliding. So now we have control, we can walk on it just like it's normal. Up here we have just a single blue tile there, that is actually the water. So if we walk on the water, it's kind of like the fire, we'll also die. But we can get the water shoes from up top there, and then we are allowed to walk on it safely. And the last pair of shoes that we have down here, the green ones, those will allow us to walk on the green conveyor belts without getting pushed around. So all of these elements come together to form the puzzles. Got a couple more keys. So we got the yellow key before, so we can go through the yellow door, pick up the teal key there. We can grab this chip, we can open the red door, and that room has the heart in it. We could go down there, but we can't get the heart yet because we don't have the robot. So we got to come back out here, and we can go through the regular door because we got the black key. Pick up a couple more chips in this room. And we got the teal key earlier, so we can go in the teal door, get the last chip, and now we can collect the robot. So now we can head back over to the heart, and once we get there, we'll see that we have beat that level. So quick little introduction there. As you can see, I'm playing this on the Adafruit Edge badge. It should also work on the Pi Gamer, on the Pi badge and the Pi badge LC. As is, and then it should also work on some other boards like the Pi Gamer and a few others with some tweaks to listen for the buttons differently. I'm not going to do a full breakdown of this game here, but just want to talk about one or two other cool things about it. One of the neat things is the maps are built with these CSV files, so I just have it pulled up in Microsoft Excel here, or you can use OpenOffice or whatever you want. And you just edit these cells here to build out the map of all the different puzzles. So this is actually based on another project here on Hackaday.io, the CSV tile map game. So Blinka's Breakout is actually the first sort of more fully fledged example game built with this. So if you're interested in how that works, you can check it out here on IO, and then another thing I have coming up will be a video that shows you how to make maps a little bit more in depth. So I'll go through, which tiles you're allowed to use and how to make your own tiles and stuff like that. So if you're interested in the maps portion of it, keep an eye out for that video. If you just want to play the game, you can get it from the GitHub link. I'll leave a link to this main page here on Hackaday.io. Also leave a link to the GitHub down in the description. If you come to the GitHub, you can download the code in order to play the game. Just click on the clone or download link, download the zip there, click OK on the download. So then you want to unzip that file when it's done downloading. That will give you a folder like this. So you can just copy these files that are highlighted. You need CodePy, all the map.csv files, and then the spritesheet.bmp file. Copy those over to your Circuit Python board, and then you should be able to play the game. So that's pretty much it for this introduction. If you're interested in the project, you want to learn more, check out the Hackaday.io page. Feel free to leave a comment there if you have anything you want to add or you want to help out making some levels. So appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for checking it out, and that's it for now.